Okay, so the program statement is given an integer n, return the number of trailing 0 in n factorial. So my understanding of the problem is you get an input, an integer, and the output should be number of zeros. So for example, if n equal 6, the output will be 1, because 6 factorial equals 720. You only have 1 0. Matching. I will be using a while loop. Math operation and that's pretty much it. My planning will be first read user input to so read user input, define trailing 0 with n as parameter, read user input n, don't forget this. Then from there initialize trailing 0 integer variable equal to 0. Then while n is not equal to 0, update n with n divided by 5, because you have a pattern when you're factoring. Every multiple of 5, 0 increase by 1, so you have 1 0. You had 1 0 every multiple of 5. So from 0 to 5, you had from 0 to 1, no, from 1 to 5, you have 0 0. From 6 to 10 or to 11, from 5 to 10 or to 9, you have like 1 0 and so on and so on. Yeah, from 0 to 4, you have 0 0. From 5 to 9, you have 1 0. From 10 to 14, you have 2 0 and so on. Then oops, add +1 to trailing, no, +1, no, add +n to trailing 0. Oops, trailing 0. Okay. Then return trailing 0. And finally print trailing 0. Okay. Implementation. So first we call the library. So I'm solving this problem here with C++. So calling IOStream library using name space std. So I will need a function integer trailing 0, like I said, with parameter integer n. Oops. Then call the main function integer n, and get the user input and store until n. Always initialize with 0, and then from here I can work on my my trailing 0 integer n. Okay, so my plane initialize an integer trailing 0 to 0, right? Variable equals to 0, equal to 0. Okay, while n is not equal to 0, keep looping, and then update n by n divided by 5 to get the remaining zeros plus equal n, right? And to trailing 0, okay. Then return trailing 0 once done. And then print cout trailing zeros parameter n and line. Let's enter message first. Trailing 0 in n. Oops, n. Oops, what am I doing? Okay. And then from there it should be good. Okay, so let's get some case test. So 6, let's start first with 4 factorial. Input equal 4, output equal 0. Input equal, so 6, output will be 1 because in 6 you have only 1. 0, so input equal 10. The output will be 2, and one more. Input equal 18. The output equal, so 1 from 10 to I believe it will be 3. Okay. Alright, let's compile it. Trailing 0. Does it compile? It compile. Okay. Let's run it. So let's start with 4. Trailing 0 is 0. Okay. So now with 6, it's 1. Now with 10, 2, and with 18, it's 3. I can do one more, I believe. 221 would be 53. 53, there we go. So it works like expected, following the UMPIRE method.